Hi kids, it's Tuesday, September 29th, and I want to remind you that you have vocabulary homework. It is this one pager. It's due Friday, October 2nd, and you have a quiz October 2nd. Here's your example of what you need to do on your own notebook paper or piece of copy paper. If you did not pass your Properties of Matter test last Friday, you will be able to take a retest this Friday, October 2nd. You only have the opportunity if you made a 70 or below a 70 on the test, and the highest grade you can get on the retest is a 70. Again, the retest is Friday, October 2nd, but you must do two things in order to take the retest. You must make corrections from the original test and turn them in on the day of the retest, which is Friday. Write your entire question and the entire answer on a separate sheet of paper. Then you need to take a picture of your test corrections and send them to your teacher through a Schoology message. If you click this retest button up here, that will give you the answers to the test that we took. Let's talk about the different forms of energy. So energy is the ability to do work. We will learn about 5 forms of energy. What forms of energy do you see? I see 5 different ones. Let's talk about sound energy. Sound energy is produced by vibrations. It travels in waves. Does not travel through empty space. It must travel through matter. And in the folder there is a ping pong ball and tuning fork activity demonstration video, as well as a tuning fork and a glass of water. I need you to watch those videos and it will show you that sound travels through vibrations. Let's practice. So I want you to gently place your hand on your throat, then turn to somebody in your house and tell them your favorite day of the week and why. What do you feel when you're talking? The vibrations you feel when you talk are how we make and hear sound. So what you feel are vibrations in your throat. Let's talk about light energy. Light energy travels in waves and in a straight line. It travels through empty space. The natural sources for light energy are the sun and fire. Thermal energy is also known as heat energy. Thermal energy has molecules moving faster that equal more thermal energy. So the faster the molecules move, the more heat you will feel. Mechanical energy is the energy of motion. Kinetic energy is a moving object, and potential energy is an object at rest. So if you have an object that is moving, that's kinetic energy. If you have an object that's at rest, that is potential energy. It has the potential to have motion. Electrical energy is the movement of charged particles. It's produced in power plants from fossil fuels or alternative energy resources. What form of energy does the flashlight produce? The answer is light. What form of energy does the bicycle produce? The answer is mechanical. What forms of energy is the candle producing? It's 2. It has light and thermal energy. Energy can change from one form to another. So right here we have electrical energy, and when it's plugged into this computer screen or TV, it turns in and produces light and sound energy. Right here we have mechanical energy, which this is a wind from a windmill from a wind farm. As it spins, it turns the wind and mechanical energy of the fan spinning into electrical energy. Here are the forms of energy notes. So energy is the ability to do work. Sound is produced by vibrations, travels in waves, does not travel through empty space. It must travel through matter. Light travels in waves and in a straight line, travels through empty space. The natural sources for light energy are the sun and fire. Thermal energy is also known as heat energy. Molecules moving faster equal more thermal energy. Mechanical energy is energy of motion. Kinetic energy means there's a moving object. Potential energy means that the object is at rest. And last but not least is electrical energy, the movement of charged particles. It's produced in power plants from fossil fuels or alternative resources. Study these before you take the quiz. So now you're going to take the notes, forms of energy notes quiz. It is located in the Tuesday folder. Don't forget to watch the sound, tuning fork and ping pong ball demonstration, as well as the water and tuning fork. Have a great day.